Hi guys! In this video, you're gonna learn how to make a YouTube channel. So first is open your browser and then enter youtube.com, and after that tap sign in and log in to your account. If you don't have an account, you can click create account. After you log in, go to your profile at the upper right corner, and in here click your channel, and after that click customize channel, and in here click continue, and then click basic info and change your name. After you change your name, example lyric channel, click publish, and that's it. So that's how to make a YouTube channel. If you like this video, please click the subscribe button and click the bell icon to notify you to our next tutorial.